Hi guy, welcome to my channels. Today we will talk about Liam and Steffi's long on again, off again relationship has actually been a pillar in The Bold and the Beautiful. In spite of Liam's obvious affinity for Steffi, he has actually gotten included with other women on numerous celebrations. Especially, the psychological affair that Liam had with Sally Spectra. The two may never ever have actually continued an extreme physical affair, however the psychological connection that Liam showed Sally sufficed to break Steffi's heart. Liam typically appears to be just about himself, just appreciating what others can do to assist him. Steffi, when she starts her love with Liam, is a free spirit, who likes to ride her bike and go on careless experiences. As critics have actually pointed out, Liam does not like it when Steffi goes out on her own and frequently appears to be holding Steffi back, unlike Wyatt, who motivated her wild side and matched her sense of experience. On lots of events, Liam Spencer has actually revealed himself to be extremely immature in the manner in which he communicates with others. He frequently presumes aspects of individuals prior to he has concrete proof, such as the Hope and Thomas scenario when Liam instantly leapt to the incorrect conclusion about their relationship, presuming his partner was cheating on him, unintentionally making things much even worse. For this reason, fans of The Bold and the Beautiful have actually called Liam the Waffler, according to Fame 10. Liam Spencer might be a hot product on The Bold and the Beautiful, however lots of fans think that the character is mentally violent, specifically in the manner in which he gaslights his romantic partners. According to Soap Dirt, Scott Clifton himself has actually specified that he believes Liam is mentally violent to both Hope and Steffi, gaslighting and arguing continuously with both of the females who have actually brought his kids. While this does not dim his appeal with the women, it definitely makes fans take a look at him in a new way. Steffi Forrester and Liam Spencer have had an impressive love that covers years. For a while, it looked as though Liam and Steffi might be able to discover their happily ever after. However, over the last few years, the manner in which Liam has actually had fun with her feelings has actually certainly taken a toll. With the renewal of Liam's love with Hope, he has actually started dabbling the feelings and lives of both ladies, showing that, if anything, Liam Spencer mostly appreciates himself, and not individuals that he starts relationships with. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.